How to retrieve deleted text messages on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to retrieve deleted text messages on your iPhone. If you have accidentally deleted important messages, don't worry. There are a few ways to recover them. So let's dive right into it. First, let's check if your messages are still recoverable. There are three main ways to get them back. First, check the recently deleted folder. If you are using iOS 16 or later, you can check the recently deleted folder in the Messages app. To do this, open the Messages app, tap Edit in the top left corner, and then tap Show Recently Deleted. If your deleted messages are here, just tap on them and select Recover. Next, restart from an iCloud backup. If the messages aren't in the recently deleted folder, your next option is to restore from an iCloud backup. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then tap iCloud and Manage Storage. If you have a backup from a date before you deleted the messages, you can restore your iPhone to that backup. Just keep in mind, this will revert everything on your phone to that backup date. Next, restore from iTunes or Finder backup. Alternatively, if you have backed up your iPhone to iTunes or Finder, you can restore from that backup. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open iTunes or Finder, and choose Restore Backup. Select a backup that was made before you deleted your messages. Those are the main ways to retrieve deleted text messages on your iPhone. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep regular backups to avoid losing important data in the future. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.